Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how you can set up modmail with BotGhost. Let's get started. Firstly, go to your Discord server and make a channel called modmail if you haven't already. Now go to the BotGhost dashboard, click custom commands and create a new command. You can name this command anything you want, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to call it /modmail. Go to blocks and look for a send message with attached buttons and connect it to your command and then type some text in. Next we're going to change the response type to send message to channel it was used in, then scroll down and click hide replies. Under that we're going to click add button. I'm going to name it message for the sake of this video. Scroll down and enable cooldown for the user for 2 hours so they can't spam. Go back to your block list and find send a form and attach it to your button. I'm going to name this form mail. Now click form builder and change the labels to your likings. Now name the variable name to mail, click out the form, and connect a send message to channel and select your modmail channel. Now we're going to mention the user who filled the form out by typing this on the screen. Click the clipboard and you should see your form option and click it. Go back to your block list and attach a plain text reply. You can make this say anything you want when they complete the form. Now we're going to be going back to our Discord to test it. As you can see, it looks like it's working. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this video useful. Goodbye.